Let's see how to download and install PostgreSQL and PgAdmin 4 for Windows 11 or 10. If you find this guide helpful, consider subscribing and leaving a like. Thanks. First, go to Google and search for Download PostgreSQL. Click on the official website. Then select the Windows option. Once it's downloaded, open the installer. Click Next. Make sure all boxes are checked. Click Next again. Now, create a password. Make sure to remember it. You'll need it later. Leave the next option as it is and click Next. Select the default configuration and click Next. Here you can add optional extensions if you like. Finish the installation and close the installer. Now open PgAdmin. Click here. Enter the password you created earlier. Once inside, expand the Databases section. Right-click on Databases. Select Create, then Database. Enter a name for your database. You'll also find other options available. Once you're done, click Save. Now expand the Schemas section. If you expand Tables, you'll see it's empty. To create tables, do the following. Right-click on Tables. Select Create, then Table. Set up your table. And you can also add columns. If you want to use queries instead, follow this. Right-click on the database and select Query Tool. Write your SQL query here. Then click the Execute button to run the script. Finally, right-click the database and choose Refresh. And that's it. You should now see your table with all the columns. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.